don't think that Spinifex acts anything like a normal grass when it's set alight. You see, this stuff actually creates a big, thick, black, oily resin. The problem there you're dealing with is that you're not putting out a grass fire, you're essentially putting out something that's kind of like an oil fire, I suppose. So when you get onto it, you want to get onto it very, very quickly. If you smell any kind of smoke whatsoever, you need to jump onto it. Now, what do you do when you jump onto it? Well, first of all, I'd recommend taking along one of these things. This is just your simple kind of weed sprayer. I also like to carry along a couple of these things. This is just your normal 2 kilo dry powder fire extinguisher. I wouldn't take anything smaller. The reason being is that these fires do generally take a little bit of time to get under control. If you use one of those little 1/2 kilo or 0.9 of a kilo ones, they will only last for, if you're lucky, around about 30 to 45 seconds, and that's simply not long enough to put out a fire. And folks, believe me, vehicles do catch on fire on a reasonably regular basis out here on the Canning stock route. They're usually petrol vehicles because those petrol vehicles tend to run a little bit hotter around the exhaust area, and that's where the fires start.